Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken yassa, step by step. First, let's prepare our chicken for marination. You'll need about 4 to 6 chicken pieces. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 large sliced onions. Add 2 minced garlic cloves, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Mix well, then add your chicken, ensuring it's fully coated. Let this marinate for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to infuse those wonderful flavors. Once your chicken is beautifully marinated, it's time to build the base of our stew. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Carefully add your chicken pieces and brown them on all sides until they achieve a lovely golden color. This step is crucial for developing a rich, deep flavor. Remove the browned chicken and set it aside. Now, add the marinated onions to the same pot, scraping up any delicious bits from the bottom. With the onions softened and fragrant, it's time to bring everything together for the simmer. Return your browned chicken pieces to the pot. Pour in about 1 cup of chicken broth, ensuring it just covers the chicken. Add 2 bay leaves for aromatic depth. You can also include 1/2 cup of green olives or some sliced carrots. Bring to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat, cover, and cook for 30 to 45 minutes. The chicken will become wonderfully tender, and the flavors will meld beautifully into a rich stew. Finally, your incredible chicken yassa is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt and black pepper if needed. The flavors should be bright and tangy. This hearty and aromatic stew is traditionally served hot alongside a bed of fluffy white rice or light couscous. These sides perfectly soak up all that delicious sauce. For a fresh finish, garnish each plate with some fresh chopped parsley or a final squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Enjoy this wonderful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.